What is up, legends? It is day one of the new Mega Evolution set. We are in the chase for just about any of the chase cards. I would love to see that gold, but we'll see what happens. Jesus. What? DR. Well, that's alright. I'm still chasing some DRs. That's a bit... Alright, well, maybe we can make it day 11 of DR and day 1 of Mega Evolutions. You know the go. Let's crack on. Bam, bam. That is a shocker. Pack number 2. Now we start Mega Evolutions. Let's go. Ooh, nice new green card. Come on. We are in. Why is the camera so bad? Koritsa, what is going on with this thing? Nice.